Every day, new automobiles, cameras of all types, smartphones, video games, and IoT devices are capable of more things. 360-degree photos and videos, virtual reality, ultra-high-resolution content, video streaming, and more. And as technology evolves, it becomes more demanding. To keep up, you need faster, scalable storage, which is now available with SD Express. In two form factors, the full-size SD Express and the microSD Express, parts of SD 7.0 and 7.1 specifications. SD Express is a revolutionary advancement in SD that adds the PCIe high-speed interface along with the NVMe upper layer protocol, enabling advanced memory access mechanism, and opens a new world of opportunities for the popular SD memory card. SD Express achieves data transfer speeds of up to 985 megabytes per second, allowing SD memory cards to serve as removable solid-state drives. SD Express will ignite the imagination for new uses of removable cards, as well as provide the answer for the evolving applications that requires faster communication and enhanced data processing. SD Express uses the well-known PCIe Gen 3 and NVMe version 1.3 protocols defined by PCI SIG and NVMe Express on the second row of pins used by UHS-2 cards today. By relying on successful protocols already in the marketplace, the SDA gives the industry an advantage, allowing manufacturers of host devices and memory cards to benefit from the well-known protocols and leverage existing development and testing tools. These cards also provide system developers new options offered by PCIe and NVMe capabilities, such as bus mastering, multi-queue without locking mechanism, host memory buffer, and more. SD Express uses two power supplies, the traditional 3.3 volt and a 1.8 volt, plus their support of the NVMe power states for power control. Today, we can see the benefits SD Express will have for super slow motion video, raw continuous burst mode, and 8K video capture and playback. SD Express is an ideal storage solution for new applications that require high-speed memory interfaces and multi-channel operations, such as 360-degree photos and videos, speed-hungry applications running on cards and mobile computing devices, ever-evolving gaming systems, multi-channel IoT devices, and automotive, to name a few. And SD Express is backwards compatible with billions of existing SD host products. For product manufacturers, SD Express opens a whole new world of opportunities using the widely known PCIe and NVMe protocols. While for consumers, if you need faster storage, simply match the new SD Express symbol found on SDHC, SDXC, and SDUC memory cards with your device, and enjoy doing more faster. Thanks, and we'll see you again real soon.